I saw a project on YouTube that used a neon-like LED strip. It looked so interesting that I searched for more. The projects that I found used CNC carved channels for the LED strip. Since I don't own or have access to CNC, I used a 3D printer. My 3D printer is Prusa Mini, which has an 18 cm x 18 cm printing plate, so I knew I had to print this in multiple parts. First, I designed some test pieces to test fishtail joints, corner radiuses and strip fit. When I got the measurements right, I printed the actual pieces. I glued the fishtail joints together with cyanoacrylate glue. I started to assemble the sign directly to the wall. I used paper templates to get eyes close to their position. I drilled holes through the wall for the wires. It is a cabinet wall, so it is easy to get wires from the other side. I tested the light first time on the wall. It fitted as planned. Channel is a friction fit, so I can get it in out if I need it. The neon strip is so bright it needed a dimmer. I installed it in the cabinet where the wires come from the other side. For the final touch, I used Wi-Fi enabled smart plug to turn the neon light on when my computer is on. I made a Python script to control the smart plug. It uses the tiny tile library for communication. Sleepwatcher handles the sleep and wake up events and runs the Python script.